Hello, welcome back again to our channel. Today we decided to do something yummy, fruit skewers. I had already cleaned the fruits and cut them into cubes, and the fruits I have are the following as displayed here. I have the grapes, the black ones. Also have the red grapes, the kiwi fruit, the watermelon, pineapples. Those are pixie oranges. Then we have skewers, bamboo skewers. Then water in a jug. We need to dip the skewers in water. Actually, I ought to have done this before. It helps to put the fruits in an easy way. So this you can decide to use your own pattern. I decided by putting the red grape, then the pixie, the pineapple. So ensure that the fruits don't follow each other, not same color following each other. Actually, you can use any type of fruits, not necessarily using what I have. But ensure that the fruits don't have the same color. The reason I decided to use the pixie is that they have an orange color, but I didn't get a fruit that has an orange color. You can use a mango, a pawpaw, but mangoes are not in season. Look at the way the skews turn out. You can do this one for a family. If you have a dinner, you do a few for everyone in the family. In case you have a party, a birthday party, but kindly ensure there is enough hygiene. You have washed your hands. Don't put too much, that's enough for another one. So far I've done like 3-4. So start with the grape, then the pixie, the watermelon, pineapple, the kiwi, the black strawberry, pineapple again, watermelon, then the grape. Don't make it too full. So far those are the ones that I've made. Make any pattern you so wish, but remember when you are removing the grapes, especially the black one, twist and turn, because they are very fragile and they can get spoiled very fast. So twist and turn. Soon I'll be doing another video of using skewers to make some meats with some veggies and pineapple. It's very yummy. So stay tuned, keep following us. Very nice and better things are coming. This is a way of keeping kids busy, especially now that they are locked out of schools and they are just home idle. So I'm almost done. My pixel are almost over. Don't throw away the remaining fruits. Maybe you can make a salad with them. Add some yogurt to that mixture of fruits. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Very appetizing. Very nice presentation. So if you made many, that's how they will turn out. Look at that. Arrange them in a round form. Yum, yum, yummy. If you eat one or two of those, you'll completely get full. Here we had done with different fruits. You can see the colors are also different. This is another group we did also with them. Different fruits. Another one. So remember, when you're using the apples, make sure you put some orange on them. Look at that nice presentation, a mixture of different colors. Pretty. So follow us on Facebook, like our page, subscribe on our YouTube channel. We'll be posting more videos, and kindly share. Thank you for watching Little Creative Thinkers. Bye bye.